at the view. Here we go. See you at the next hotel.
Tasting. So it would take about 10 to 15 minutes. Sure. Yeah? Okay, if you guys want to do a tasting, feel free to have a seat on this front bar and we'll get
To our complimentary tasting today, we're gonna try 6 different chocolates. Left side of your menu, all of these are Hawaii grown cacao. So we grow on farms in Oahu and on the Big Island. The only difference between them is where the farm is. So the soil is the only difference between the chocolates. They all have the same ingredients. So it's gonna be neat because you're gonna be able to taste completely different flavors from each of them. Grab it with your 2 fingers and you twist it back and forth and it breaks apart. Nib. So this is pure.
You just smashed it?
Cacao. This is like my 20th time doing this. Yeah, I'm just kidding. No, but it's really good. Wow. So the tea that you have here, we make that out of the outer shell.
Oh, I wonder why.
Yeah. But when we do that brown bag up there, the chocolate, we use both. So there's like a little bit of caffeine, just very little bit. But yeah, today we're trying the tea. Do you guys like the tea?
Great. I'm about to know the rest of this in my mouth.
One. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, I gave you 3. I'm feeling generous today, apparently. Or it's my coffee just like that. Those are just some suggestions of what notes could be coming forward, but I mean, you could taste something completely different. Let me know what you think. What's the cherry? That little sour. So you're getting that. It's sour? Oh, did you like it? Yeah? What do you taste?
What do you taste?
It tastes good.
Oh my gosh, what else?
Alright, we're gonna
Like
try
Auntie Mary. Oh, not me. Chocolate all over it.
Oh, you weren't supposed to break it.
So it should taste like, you might taste lime, walnut, or brownie. I smell lime. Thank you.
What do you guys think? Is it completely different from the first one?
Yeah, I taste lime. Yeah, I got lime.
Yeah, so this one is definitely like...
If you breathe out, you taste the brownie. Yeah, if you like, it's like a little bit like a it's like young.
How about you guys? How was that
The snozberries taste like snozberries. What'd you get?
I got brownie.
You got brownie? I taste the lime. Yeah, lime. I tasted like all of them.
Taste brownie. Yeah. But we do have a tour where you pay for $25. It's a little bit longer, like an hour long. You get to try all the chocolates, but you have to book that. So for today, it's just complimentary. So we're just trying a couple. Well, guys, that completes our complimentary tasting for today. If there's anything else while you're browsing, let me know if you want to try. They're super like. What is this?
I know, I do too.
I know. It's gonna melt when it's highway. That's what they want now.
Hardest before bars. Oh.
But can I get the
You guys do. I'll take a screenshot. Just to name a few. Oh yeah.
You're gonna get your coffee.
That's why I was so
That's what I thought it was.
You know what I knew it's not?
Jack wanted to drink it out of 5 cups.
Oh, no, you took mine. I was like, wait, hold on. Oh, don't do that.
Close.
Zach.
Are geckos and lizards poisonous? Venomous? They bite?
Is it
Poison is when you ingest, so if we don't eat it, we good.
Why would you eat it?
No, venomous is when they bite.
Bite.
Poison.
Poison.
Is contact.
Wait, did it fall?
Cinnamons.
Oh, it went up in between the crack like an ass.
Let me
I was waiting for another sign that said like 100.
What do you mean? So in our flight, it felt like they turned it
Right there.
instead of the AC. Like there was a point in time it was like wide or something.
I want to vlog too, like Cammy. My inspiration.
Aw, that made me blush.
So I didn't even review the room.
Wait, we have to do it here. Okay, go.
Okay. So here is
Just stand in the
the
back.
sink. Wow. And a model apparently comes with the bathroom.
Where? I don't see her. Oh, there she is.
Bathroom.
Oh, it's pretty big.
What's that for? We're finding. It's
A bath?
Is that to lay down?
No, I think it's a drain.
Ew, why is it like that? It's like a bed.
I know.
I'm not.
Okay, anyways.
You want your coffee next to the sink?
Ooh,
Next to the bathroom. Yeah, next to the poo-poo.
Wow.
Okay, and then Camille got the rest. Okay, welcome. Mini bar.
Ooh.
Oh, she's empty. My bad.
No.
Wow, we get Hawaiian edition coffee.
Ooh,
Cause guess what?
We're in Hawaii.
Hello.
This is where the magic
Say, don't
is.
put your clothes in here. This is where bed bugs are likely to hide.
Nice tip. Good tip.
I saw an Instagram reel about it.
Oh, she reviewed it.
Oh, I didn't see the balcony.
Balcony.
It says the AC only operates.
When the door is tightly closed.
So she's gonna turn off it.
No, we need her today. We need her.
We need her full
Okay.
blast. Full
Okay.
blast.
Well, this is her.
Yeah. We get a roof.
I don't like the view.
I thought this was the pool for a second.
I know. I was like, wait, we can just jump in the pool.
Yeah.
You know. And I can feel the heat already. That's not fun. Not fun. That's it. Okay.
Oh, look at the TV.
Whose room is this? Is this somebody's room?
I think this is next door.
Who's in this room?
I think she's starting the turtle. I don't know. She said she's in that one or this one.
Okay, guys.
Peace out, Girl Scouts.
Okay, so we're mic'd up now, guys. Look at us.
Moving on.
Shout out to Lena. Thank you, Lena, girl. Yeah, say hi. Lena's right there in the pink. Shout out to Lena. Thank you. Muchas gracias. Caesar's Maasi. Mahalo.
She local or whatever.
She local or whatever. Waikiki.
Don't forget when we cross, we have to go like this.
We out here. Rolling deep. Royal.
then we have the Urali. And I'm a team leader and you're representing our MC who got lost. And my name is Melvin Faisal. Rapa Nui may have Moai, but we have Tagastone. That's 2,500 old. Furthermore, if you take Mount Everest and put it into the Mariana Trench, it will sink. And we are proud as Chamorro and Caribbean to be the caretaker of the beautiful Mariana Trench. With that, Masaden, Hiram, and mahalo to the state of Hawaii for hosting the 13th FestPAC. Bilisto, Alumay, Dosmaso.
Everybody wave to the vlog. Still lining up. Still not on. Still not everybody. And so can't really make a nice video. I'm like, cause somebody took a huge bite out of my burger.
thought you guys went back to the hotel.
No, you
So we went, and then they said you guys were here.
No, are you lied?
The next morning.
McDonald's number 3. No, look at recording the occasion.
Finally, I'm in the bad mood. Actually, I had coffee already.
Oh, that's why he had coffee. Yeah, we have to get coffee first though.
I was worried. Yeah.
Coffee.
So I saw him looking and I was like,
He was still the last one.
I know. That's why I was like, don't get mad.
No, I'm not mad though. I'm not getting my food. I'm
He's just
mad.
hangry.
Service.
You already know. Cera with her oatmeal. The turtle already almost done.
Didn't even start yet.
Oh, I was like, where the heck is all this meat at?
Oh, she was smart. She brought her brother.
Where's the...
I'm Island Girl. I'm Baby Girl.
Ew. I can't see it.
She's in this island girl.
Yeah.
Girl, I don't want to eat Guys, we're here at the barbecue. I'm here with my sisters, Abby and Cera, and this is my food. Mango even by the turkey. Getting my
Just talking about the mango.
Just talking about stinky mango.
I love you like a mango. Would it be okay if it's like from the front facing camera? Yeah. Like it would. Okay.
Alright guys.
Yeah.
Vlogging on cam's phone. Hey.
Oh, he got one for each of us. Did you really? Ah!
Oh.
Thanks of the toots.
Thanks for the toots. Cheers, 1, 2, 3.
We're with each other.
Okay.
My hair is delicious.
So good. So good.
You know.
You want a syrup?
Syrup? No syrup.
Yeah, I'm married.
Look at her shirt. So cute. Love the shirt. Love the outfit. The Aloha Highland style orange. Shaka bra. How's it? The kind, you know the kind? The kind parking? You got the kind parking over here, bro. You got the kind parking. Oh, it's not funny anymore. No. Sorry, except the camera's.
They're gonna sing.
Oh shit, I'm sorry.
Who's that lady? Who's that lady? That is Haley. I can tell the way you're walking over here.
You should have told me. I was told to sing on Thorns.
Oh my gosh. Somebody put a homeless man. There's a homeless man by the tree. Goodies. Rolling deep at Walmart. I didn't get anything today. Besides your period. Thank you. Good luck, Charlie.
I'm almost done.
Look at that sunset.
You gonna hold it in your bag or you can put it back here?
Looking like a whole bee-hoo.
Is that the one you got from?
You know what?
Auntie Martha.
You know what?
Oh no!
Wonton. Have a twist donut. The build up for it to touch the table. My germs. Oh, okay.
No,
Why
this mochi.
that looks like more glazed than my actual donut.
Does anybody want?
No.
Oh my god. It's like you did a
The free parking?
Walk from the hotel.
mochi.
It's like you did it.
Remember where I think when I
fried it. Yeah.
That would be the fruit.
Our butter mochi.
Yeah, butter mochi.
You just made that, then wrapped it up, and then fried it in
Still more glazed than my donut.
Check out the